Hello dear friends, in today's video tutorial I will show you how to crochet such beauty. This video has two levels for those who just can crochet, and with me you can make such amazing doily or coaster, and for people who can read chart, pattern or diagrams. Using my own chart you can create many projects such as motifs, tablecloths, skirt or bag. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorial or where you will use it. And let's get started crocheting. For work I will use 1.4 crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. And I will start to crochet my beauty. Let's begin. I begin the work from the foundation chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Foundation chain is ready. Insert the hook into the first stitch of the foundation chain. Make a slip stitch. The foundation ring is ready. Then I'm going to work with double crochet. First one will be 3 chains. Then make 15 double crochet into the ring. And while making double crochet, I will remove the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 15 double crochet into the ring. I have done 15 double crochet, and let's work with a slip stitch into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round. 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch. Round 1 is done. Let's begin round 2. For the next round, make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Then chain more for the chain space, yarn over the hook, and make double crochet into the next stitch. Chain and double crochet into the next stitch. Chain and double crochet into the next stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Chain and double crochet into the next stitch. Let's complete the second round together. I insert the hook into the third chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. Round 2 is done. Let's begin round 3. For this, insert the hook into the next chain space, make slip stitch, then chain to bring up the yarn, then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the chain space. Insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet, chain of 5 for the chain space, and single crochet. chain of 5 and single crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of this round, and you should leave the last chain space. Then I show you what we will do next. Let's complete round 3 together. Instead of chain space, make chain of 2, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the first stitch, make double crochet. So let's begin round 4. It will be simple round. Make a chain, then chain of 5 for the chain space. Make single crochet to the next chain space. Chain of 5 for the chain space. And single crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's finish round 4. After I have done the last chain space, insert the hook into the chain stitch in the beginning of this round, make a slip stitch. Round 4 is ready. Here what we have. It is going to be round 5. For the next round, insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Make double crochet 4 times into each chain space. But in this chain space, I will do 3 of them. So I have done 3 double crochet here, plus chain. So continue, make 4 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to finish this round together. Let's complete this round together. This is the round 5. After I have done 4 double crochet, make a slip stitch into the third chain stitch. Round 5 is done. Let's crochet round 6. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn instead of first double crochet. Then chain of 2. Then I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet. Continue chain of 2 and double crochet into the second stitch. And let's repeat one more time, chain of 2 for the chain space and double crochet into the second stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete such round together. This is round 6. It will be, let's complete this round together. After I have done 2 chains for the chain space, I insert the hook into the third chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. Let's crochet round 7. It will be the last one. chain of 2. For the next round, make chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the double crochet, make double crochet, then chain of 2 more, then make 3 chain picot on the top of the second chain, chain 3 for the picot, insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook, make a slip stitch. The picot is ready. Chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same double crochet, make double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next double crochet, make double crochet, not finish. Then pull through all loops on the hook. So it is going to be a round of the trim. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 for the picot, and work with the slip stitch into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Then chain, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the same double crochet. I do not finish the stitch, make double crochet, not finish into the second double crochet, and pull through all loops on the hook. Let's stop and look at my last round. It is a very delicate round. You should repeat such sequence till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete such round. Let's look at the back side. As you can see, I left a long piece of yarn. In this case, you can use crochet hook or sewing needle. You can remove this yarn using such kind of tools. And with the needle, you can go through the stitches and remove this yarn, or use just crochet hook. Let's complete the last round together. To finish this round, after I have done the picot, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the double crochet, make double crochet, not finish, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch on the beginning of the previous round, and I did double crochet, not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain of 2, then chain of 3 for the picot. Work with the slip stitch into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Picot is ready. Chain, and let's look. Insert the hook into the top of the stitch and make a slip stitch. My round is ready, and make a chain to secure the yarn. I remind you, you can use crochet hook to remove the yarn or sewing needle. I prefer to use sewing needle to remove long piece of yarn. And that's it. My project is ready. Let's look at my ready motif. This is the back side. And my project is done, and I remind you, you can find chart pattern diagrams in my video. This is for people who can read chart pattern diagrams. And for people who can do this, you can follow this video tutorial. Such kind of motif can be used like coaster or part of big swatch. You can find more video tutorials on my channel. See you in the next video. It was Elena Rugal. Thank you so much for watching, and please write comment below the video what you will get or if you have a question. Bye!